Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the website called Top Local Singles. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on the website, toplocalsingles.com. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app or a dating site. So if you're wondering if it is actually any good, these are the features: discreet, wild, if you don't want to mean, exciting, and it's 100% free, which is what they claim. So let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they are rated 1.9 out of 5 stars, which is actually pretty disappointing with 93 reviews. So let's see our reviews here. Marley chatbot. So there is a chatbot. This is a flat-out scam, not a dating site, a scam site. These girls are fake. Most pictures are stolen off the web. Total scam. Was lured into provocative ads. TGTBT. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. So we have to pay for every message. Okay, the 100% free is fake. This site is fake as well. Most single profiles are pretty fake. Outright fraud, total scammers, and a lot more. So please do not use this app, guys. It is a fake, it is a scam, and there's almost no real people here. There's just chatbots and people catfishing you. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.